Did you know that you can now generate a PDF document using Grok AI? Well, this is still in beta, but this feature is really amazing. You can create a document like cover letter, resume, or business proposal or anything else with Grok AI, and it is allowing you to export a document to a PDF format, which is quite convenient. So the first thing that you need to do to use this new feature is that you have to go to grok.com. That's where you can access this new feature. You cannot use the Grok AI on X or Twitter because it's not available. So you have to be on the grok.com, and you can sign in using your email or maybe or X account. All right. So here you can start a new chat and you can send any prompt, but make sure to include the word PDF on your prompts. So in this example, I will try to generate a PDF document for a history novel complete with chapters. Make sure to always include PDF on the prompt. That is very important. And here you can enable maybe deep research, the thinking mode, or maybe you can enable other settings. It's optional, but the one thing that is important is the PDF section or PDF word here. And after that, just send a message to Grok and it will understand your query and it will open this canvas mode basically, and it will start creating the document based on your request. So it is able to create a PDF document, and later you can download the document to your computer. So I'm creating I would say a somewhat long document, and that's why it's going to take quite some time. But if you're creating simple documents like cover letter or maybe invoice, it's going to be a lot faster. Anyway, this is the result. It's not perfect. As you can see, the second page is basically empty. Again, it's still in beta, but other than that, you can see that it looks great. It could pass as a legit document, although maybe I have to clean some pages that are empty, but they do look great and they can be used for as a initial draft or the project that you're working on. And then you can click on this download button to save the document to your computer. Click on this button, not this button by the way, this one, and just rename the file if you want to, and then save the file to your computer. So that's basically how you can use Grok AI to create a PDF document for free. I hope this video will get better very soon. Anyway, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.